let's buckle up.
No, I don't want to. No.
Everyone in this car have to buckle up. Are we good to go?
Yeah, let's go. Oh no!
Dasha, Alex, are you okay?
Yes, I'm good. Oh no! Look.
Alex, did you see what happens if you're not buckled up?
Yes, Dad.
Let's buckle up, Alex.
No, I don't want it.
It's for your safety.
No, I don't want to.
Huh? What is that?
Oh no!
Look what happened, Alex.
Yes.
Alex, always buckle up. Much better. Let's have some food.
Yes. Let's go.
Alex, wait! You forgot to fasten your seat belt.
No, I don't want.
You have to. Let's buckle you up. Now you can go.
Oh no!
Alex, do you understand why you need to buckle up?
Yes, Daddy.
Good.
Let's play.
Alex, you have to buckle up first.
No, I don't want to. Oh no! What have I done?
Look what can happen, Alex.
Yes, sorry.
It's very important for your safety.
Dad, can you film, please?
Sure, but you have to buckle up first.
No, I don't want to.
Let's spin the doll first. Do you see what can happen?
Yes. Let's buckle up.
Sure. Good job, Alex. Ready?
Yeah.
Alex, wait!
No, I forgot to buckle up.
Yes, Alex. Good remembering.
Never forget to buckle up.
Well done, Alex. You've learned the lesson.
I'm a police girl. I'm a firefighter. I'm a doctor girl.
Hey! Alex, Dasha, Steffi, come here and let's play a game. Guess the job from the emoji.
Yay!
Collect the necessary items in the basket within 5 minutes.
Where's toilet paper? Now I need some cheese. Cookies. Oh, I need chocolate. Hello. Cash or cards? Cash. Thank you. Next, please. Hello. My favorite. Cash or card? Cash.
Challenge completed. So, what was that profession?
Cashier.
Correct, guys!
Look.
Treat the patient's teeth.
Oh no, we have to fix it. Gonna be your assistant. Whew. All done. Always brush your teeth to be healthy.
Challenge completed. What was that profession?
Dentist.
Extinguish the fire.
That's fire!
Challenge completed. Okay, what's the name of that profession?
Firefighter!
You are right. Feed the babies. Challenge completed. Steffi, do you know what that profession is?
Yes, neonatal nurse. I'm next. Hello, how can I help you? I need to have my vision checked. Now let's check your vision. Oh my. Sure, I just got the right pair of glasses. Thank you, that's much better.
Challenge completed. What was that profession, Steffi?
Ophthalmologist.
You are right. Pizza cooking challenge.
I love cheese.
Challenge completed. Kids, do you know what this profession is called?
Pizza man, pizza cook, pizza chef.
No, it's pizzaiolo. Welcome to the radio challenge.
1, 2, 1, 2, mic check. All good. We start in 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, and we are listening to the Vania Mania Kids Radio. Today we present you a new song. It's a party song. Yay!
P-A-R-T-Y, 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 P-A-R-T-Y.
Any guesses What was this profession?
That was radio host.
Correct! You can become anyone you want. There are no limits.
Hello, students!
Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Attention, class! Welcome our new student, Alex.
Hello, everybody.
You're so small.
Yes, you're like a little finger.
Kids, be nice. Attention, class! Who lives in the bamboo forest?
Me, I know.
Me, choose me. I know. Please.
You, Alex.
It's Fanta.
Correct, Alex. Which emotion is missing on the picture?
Me. Up here.
You, Alex.
Joy.
Correct, Alex.
Hey, be nice.
Who the man carries on his back?
I know. Please choose me. I know I can answer.
You can answer, Alex.
A baby.
Correct, Alex. Well done.
Give it to me. Give it.
Who did it?
Sorry.
Alex, come to the whiteboard.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay.
Done.
Lunchtime.
Hey, stop it. Stop.
Hey, it's mine. I will teach you. Very hot. Huh? Idea. Time to rock. Not yet.
Okay. What?
Let's be friends.
Alex, Alex, Alex. Oh, what are you doing here? Huh? This is not Alex. Help me, help me. Help me, help me. Alex, get me out.
You want to free Maria? You have to find all the keys. I suggest we start now.
Huh?
First challenge, you have to find the key at the bottom. Not so fast. Start right now.
I found the key. Yay!
Let's move on to the next challenge. Find the key in one of the bowls.
Wow!
Go!
No key. Look in the next.
Time's running out.
Oops.
Very funny, Alex.
I found the key. It's not working.
Hey!
Haha, try the last one.
I found something. Peekaboo. I found the key.
Yay!
2 more keys.
Yay!
Next challenge.
Huh?
The key is inside of one of the balloons.
Okay.
Stop playing with balloons.
Huh?
Try to burst them.
I know. Ah. I found it.
Great job, Alex. Yes! Come on, let's go.
Last challenge.
Wow.
You have to beat me to the key. If you knock over a cup, you have to start over.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Go! Oops, looks like you gotta start over again.
Okay.
Be careful, Alex.
Hey, stop! No, you cannot win.
Yay! I got the key. The last key.
Oh, he beat me. How? That's not fair. He set me up.
We completed all your challenges.
Watch out!
What happened, Maria?
There's slime stuck in my hair. Steffi, help me, please.
Don't worry, Maria. I know what to do.
Be careful. Thank you, Steffi.
You're welcome, Maria.
Huh? What have you done here?
Oopsie.
Steffi, can you go to the market, please? Buy some fruits.
Sure, Dad. I will be quick.
Maria, but you have to clean all this mess.
Let's check what I need to buy. Let's check it out. We was playing with water balloon.
But it's bursted.
Don't worry, guys. I will help you. I know what to do. Thank you so much, Steffi. You're welcome.
Wow!
Let's pay for my car parking.
Excellent!
What is this? What happened to my car? What happened, Dasha? This happened. Don't worry, Dasha. I will help you. Okay, let's do it. Let's make a haircut for your car.
Wow.
Thank you, Steffi. Always happy to help. What's that? Let's go and check my car.
What?
Great. Now all my bananas are gone.
Hello?
Hello, I need to buy some fruits.
Okay.
Good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oops. Thank you, Steffi.
Bye-bye.
Hey, you can't throw trash here. You hear me, monkey?
Huh?
Hey, you, stop! Hello, this is Pauline. How can I help you? My basket was stolen. I'll be in a minute. Stop, police!
You'll never catch me!
Huh? I'm coming for you.
This is the police! We have you surrounded!
Oh no, it's empty. Hello. What? This for me?
Yes, you help everyone.
Thank you. Always be kind to others and never expect anything in return. The door's open.
Whoa!
Steffi, Dasha, Ivan, take the rest of your gadgets.
Hello, hello! What?
Take a break from your gadgets and let's play together outside. Aha. Let's motivate them with the active quest game.
Guys, help me.
What is this?
Okay, guys, try.
We need to take the suits off. It didn't help. What is that? Let's see. Find glowing eggs? Okay.
Ah, this is a game. Okay, let's find them.
Oh, we have to turn off the lights because the eggs are glowing in the dark. Look, I can already see them. Let's collect them.
Let's go that side.
I found some in the tent. Whoa.
This is the last one.
Yes. Wow. Yes.
Whew, it was easy peasy. The door is open.
Yes.
Huh? I think we should follow that car. Okay, let's go. What is this? What is this? Find the mystery box. Oh no, what happened? I will choose blue. And I have the color green. Dasha, let's find the mystery box together. Nothing. Nothing here. Dasha, it's cool, but we don't have mystery box in here. Let's try orange. Okay. I found it! Mystery box. There's something inside. Oh, it's another note. Find door with balloons. Oh, yes! Okay, let's go!
Where is the door?
I think it's this door.
How about we go in? 3, 2, 1. Balloons. Wait, where is Steffi?
Hi.
Oh, hi.
You have to pop on the green balloons.
Okay.
Oh, there's green.
Come on, let's do it. What's this? Find big basketball? Let's go. What is this? I think we have to get through. Careful, careful. Yes, let's go.
Ready, steady, go! Hi guys, here are your gadgets.
No, we don't want to play with gadgets anymore. Thank you.
Yes, can we play basketball with you?
Please.
Of course you can. You are very welcome.
Yes. Kids, don't spend too much time on your gadgets. It's more fun to play active game outside.
Whoa!
Yeah! I don't like that movie.
Alex, are you serious? Give it back.
No, give it back.
No, it's mine. It's mine.
I want to watch my stuff.
Okay, Alex, let's play it fair. If you get the remote from me, TV is yours.
Ivan, that's not funny. Where's Ivan?
I confused him. I have a great idea. But I can't do it alone. Let's go. Maria, Steffi, Dasha, I need your help. We need to move all these shapes in the living room fast.
No problem.
I think it's gonna take a long time. Come on, Steffi, come on.
Load it up.
Okay. Thank you, Steffi. Come on, Dasha, come on.
Okay, let's do it.
Thank you, Dasha. Come on.
You're welcome, Ivan.
I need more help. Maria!
Fill it up, quick!
Wow, such a big net.
There's no time to talk.
Okay. I'm tired.
Let's switch.
Too much shapes. I think that's enough. Thank you, Maria. It's good to have many sisters.
I've done my part.
Hey, Steffi, Dasha, come help me.
Thanks, guys. Oh, here's Ivan.
Is that it?
Okay, fair enough. Thank you, girls. You really helped me a lot.
You're welcome, Ivan. Is there anything else we can do for you?
Actually, yes. I need you to make a trap for Alex.
We'll be done.
So, how do we make a trap?
I have an idea. Now let's fill it up with shapes.
Whew, we got a lot of work to do.
Time to build. Just what I need. Alex, where are you? The remote is here.
Ivan, give me the remote.
Take it if you can.
I think I can make it. I did it.
Great job, Alex. still got the remote, but Alex will notice it soon. I should prepare. Let's build a barricade.
I will watch what they want. Why the remote is not working? Ivan tricked me. It's not my remote.
It's done. Alex, come here. I still have the remote. Alex, come here. Alex, I'm here.
What is this? Ivan, I will get you. Ivan, it's not fair.
My game, my rules.
Ivan, I get you.
Wait, I can hold back Alex again. Let's get started. I like it, but let's speed it up. Alex, I'm here. Come catch me if you can.
What is that again?
I'm so close. Try to get to me.
Ivan, I will catch you.
Not today.
Give me back my remote.
Done.
Wow! Give me back my remote. I think Alex is coming. We need to hide. Ivan, give me my remote.
Huh? Wow! Such a cool surprise! Kids, come join me!
Where's my remote?
Alex, too much TV is bad for you! Come and join us!